it's what I can, but I don't think it's play. So today we're doing something different, and we're going on Twitter, and we're looking at these brand new models they came out with. So it looks like this is a Metal Knuckle? Maybe? I don't know what this really is. It looks like, that doesn't look like Metal Sonic, but that really doesn't look like Metal Knuckles either. But I don't know what it is. They got glowing eyes. So that looks cool. This looks cool. I wonder what it is. Gameplay Studios, what is the link? Oh, this is this. Okay. Well, yeah. So that's really cool. We'll go on here and see if they've got anything. Something. So that must be the newest thing that's going to come out tomorrow. So I can't wait for that. That looks cool. I want to see what it is. I want to see if it's Metal Knuckles or not. But if it's those skins, that's actually pretty cool and neat. That looks like a Metal Knuckles to me. I don't really know. Yeah. I'm gonna love it. Thank you guys for watching.